How to create a viral trending shorts. Video step-by-step guide. Do you want to create a viral YouTube Shorts video that gets millions of views? Have you ever wondered how top YouTubers make shorts that instantly go trending? Want to earn thousands of dollars from just 60-second videos? If yes, then this is the video for you. Today, I'm going to show you a step-by-step method that thousands of creators are using to go viral on YouTube. You don't need any editing experience, expensive software, or even drawing skills. We'll use the power of AI tools to create an amazing animated video in just a few clicks. With this method, you can get millions of views in just a few days, grow your YouTube channel super fast, earn real money from Shorts monetization. All you need to do is follow my simple steps, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to upload your first viral Shorts video. So, let's get started and make your first trending animated Shorts video. Step 1. Get a viral video idea with ChatGPT. The first step is to generate a viral Shorts video idea. Many beginners struggle with finding engaging topics, but ChatGPT makes it easy. Simply go to ChatGPT and type this prompt: please create viral trending Shorts video ideas in English. I want to create a Shorts video for my YouTube channel. Cartoon animated shorts required, 5 prompts needed, and use amazing cute characters in every prompt. Why use ChatGPT? It gives you 5 amazing video ideas instantly. These ideas are trending and highly engaging. Saves you time instead of thinking what's trending. Now copy all the prompts ChatGPT provides and move to the next step. Step 2. Generate stunning AI images with Leonardo AI. Now that we have our video concept, it's time to create eye-catching images that will be animated into a video. Go to Leonardo AI and log in. Paste the first prompt into the AI tool. Choose the Phoenix style for stunning, high-quality artwork. Make sure to select the 9:16 aspect ratio for Shorts format. Click Generate and watch Leonardo AI create a beautiful animated style image. Repeat this for all 5 prompts and download the images one by one. Now we have stunning AI-generated images. Let's move to the next step. Step 3. Turn images into animated video with Hailuo AI. Now, let's convert these images into a smooth, AI-generated animation. Go to Hailuo AI and log in using your Gmail account. You'll get 1,100 free credits, enough for multiple Shorts videos. Click Create and upload the images one by one. Paste the same prompts used in Leonardo AI for accurate animation. Select the i2v01 director model, it's the best for AI animation. Click Generate and let AI create an animated scene for each image. Download all the animated videos once they are generated. Now we have amazing animated clips. Let's edit them for a perfect Shorts video. Step 4. Edit and add effects in CapCut. Now it's time for the final step, putting everything together. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import all your animated clips into the timeline. Arrange the clips in sequence according to your story. Add smooth transitions between scenes for a seamless flow. Insert background music to make the video exciting. Use copyright-free music from YouTube's audio library. Add text and effects to highlight key moments. Use cool animations and stickers for extra engagement. Once everything looks perfect, export the video in HD quality. Step 5. Upload and optimize for YouTube Shorts. Now your video is ready to go viral. Go to YouTube and upload the video. Write a catchy title like, "This cute cat's magic trick will shock you. The funniest cartoon bunny adventure ever." Use trending hashtags like #shorts, #cartoon, #AI animation, #trending. Add an eye-catching thumbnail that makes people click. Publish and share on social media to get more views. Now sit back and watch your video get thousands, even millions of views. Final thoughts and bonus tips. If you follow this method, you can consistently create viral YouTube Shorts without any expensive software or animation skills. Post regularly, at least 3-4 shorts per week. Engage with comments to boost video reach. Test different styles and improve based on performance. Many creators are using this exact method to earn thousands of dollars per month with viral shorts. So what are you waiting for? Start now and create your first viral AI-powered shorts video today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.